Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi Q7 tire using an easy method. First, prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a level, firm surface, well away from any traffic. Engage the parking brake firmly and place wheel chocks behind the wheel diagonally opposite the flat one. Next, gather all your essential tools: the jack, lug wrench, your owner's manual, and of course, your spare tire. This preparation ensures a safe and smooth process. Now, with your vehicle safely parked, it's time to prepare for lifting. Use your lug wrench to slightly loosen all the lug nuts on the flat tire while it's still on the ground. This makes them much easier to remove later. Always refer to your Audi Q7 owner's manual to locate the precise and safe jacking points. Then, carefully raise the vehicle using the jack until the flat tire is approximately 6 inches off the ground. With the vehicle lifted, you can now fully remove the lug nuts you previously loosened. Carefully take off the flat tire and set it aside. Next, align the spare tire with the wheel studs and carefully mount it onto the hub, ensuring it sits flush. Once the spare is in place, hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the studs. This initial tightening helps secure the wheel before the final lowering. Finally, carefully lower your Audi Q7 completely to the ground and remove the jack. Now, using your lug wrench, fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern for even pressure. It's crucial to consult your owner's manual for the exact lug nut torque specification, which is often around 120 Newton meters. Drive cautiously to the nearest service center to have your flat tire repaired or replaced promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.